Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel Cherry's Cooking World, and today we are going to make paneer gravy momos. So let's get started with the video. So let's begin with frying the momos. I have taken paneer momos. You can use veg momos or chicken momos as per your choice. So first heat up some oil in the kadhai and gently pour momos to it. Fry them on medium flame till golden brown. They have turned golden brown. Now it's time to take them out. Similarly, fry the another batch. Do not add all the momos at one time. Let's take them out. Now take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons mayonnaise in it. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons momo chutney. Add 2 tablespoons fresh cream. Some onion rings. Some finely chopped coriander leaves. Little bit of chili flakes. Add half teaspoon chaat masala. I have mixed all the ingredients of our gravy and added our fried momos to it. Let's give it a good mix. Now the momos are mixed with the gravy. Let's serve them. Our gravy momos are plated and now ready to serve. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share my video and subscribe to my channel.